How to remove customer account login link on Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step to remove account login link on header menu and also check out your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then I will show you guys before and after removing the header menu or login link on header menu and also on checkout section. Then guys, first guys, open your Shopify dashboard, then open your online store. As you see guys, this is the header menu. When you hit the header menu, it will take you directly to login section on your Shopify store. Then guys, also I will show you how you can easily remove this login link on checkout section. Then guys, go back to your Shopify dashboard, then on the bottom hit on settings. It's very easy guys. Make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be able to easily customize and remove login link on your Shopify. Then guys, go directly on the left side, go to customer accounts. It's very easy. Then make sure guys to select and remove show login link, allow customers to log in from the header of online store and checkout, and also just hit on and select. Then make sure to save changes, then automatically go back again to your online store, then go and open again, then go back and open your Shopify dashboard. It's very easy guys. Then again open your online store. As you see guys, your login link on header section was removed successfully, and also open the checkout section, then reload the page, then automatically it will be removed and disappear on checkout also. As you see guys, this is the easy method to remove your login link icon or login link on header section on your Shopify store without using any apps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.